Grekland!
Säg inte att du filmar.
Vi har inte ätit på typ 8 timmar! Mat!
Ja.
Ja.
Jag vet.
Can be something I
Vi måste köra ut halva ön för att få mat.
We need to go around the island to get food. Here in Greece, they do funny stuff. They dance around a circle with funny clothes for 2.5 hours, just for fun. It's a tradition. And then they go to a place and eat food, and then they listen to really loud music.
Again.
This is Greece. Too much all the time.
Without any food.
We want food. We want food.
Give us some food.
Give us some food. No.
Mom, I want food. Come on, Mom.